we're gonna go right to the answers. Yeah, sorry.
Today only level 4 is off limits to all non-essential personnel due to an incoming shipment of magical creatures, including Arumbugs, Crops, and at least one Moonsfall. And, may I just say, well done to the Department for the Regulation and Control of Magical Creatures for rescuing and returning these magnificent creatures to their natural habitats. Your actions will make you Scamander proud.
Death Eater or Mill.
Just the sort of thing this trial will undoubtedly bring to light.
As long as it is done with as little disturbance as possible.
Not to worry.
This particular trial should be fairly straightforward and speedy.
Umbridge is guilty, and she's going to Azkaban.
There will be a fair trial.
Of course. Then the celebration can begin. Order, please. I saw RNA in all white to party.
Bravo!
There's sure to be a welcome party of horrors when she finally arrives in Azkaban.
Water cooler.
Today, former Senior Undersecretary to the Minister for Magic, Dolores Umbridge, will plead her innocence before the Wizard Court. This will be a difficult defense, as she was allegedly apprehended by orders within the Ministry. At this moment, we do not know the particulars, but we are all very excited to learn why. We here at the Wizarding Wireless Network have had no response to the repeated owls sent to Ms. Umbridge, nor have we had any official statement from the head of magical law enforcement. We are, however, hopeful that we will be able to secure an official statement from the Minister for Magic, Kingsley Shacklebolt, following the trial. After all, Shacklebolt himself will be presented to the court, and is sure to be
Yeah, it was Umbridge.
She may not have been a nephew, but she took advantage of her position once Voldemort began his attack on the Wizarding world, especially on the Muggleborn among us.
Yes, yes.
Now that Umbridge person is being tried.
One small victory is not an end to our
That was first all we hear the Umbridge's office.
It's pink.
So much pink!
You are here for this most important day. Yes, she is indeed. Today is the day Higglety's former mistress, Dolores Umbridge, stands trial for her crimes. And Higgledy would never speak ill of her former mistress. No, she would not. But if she did, Higgledy would probably say that Dolores Umbridge is a horrible, nasty woman who deserves to go to jail for a long, long time. But Higgledy is not saying that. Please excuse the mess, sirs and misses. Higgledy is in charge of packing up the office of her former mistress, Dolores Umbridge.
Be aware, certain lift passages will not be accessible today due to heightened security.
I really believe Umbridge is finally on trial.
It's about time she stands before the Wizzingmot.
Well, this is quite the tailback.
Not surprising with everyone here for a trial. Hello. Are you going to the trial too?
Of course, Ron. The whole Wizarding world wants to see justice served.
And we can't be late. I don't want to miss this.
What's that?
I will do what must be done for the greater good. To the time room. Yaxley, dispose of them.
With pleasure, miss. And Fingo.
Alert! Death Eaters have attacked the Ministry. Dolores Umbridge has escaped.
Arrest on the letter!
Umbridge has escaped.
She's after a time turner again.
We need to get to the time room.
They can help us. We must stop Miss Umbridge.
Warning. Death Eaters have attacked the Ministry Archives. Unexpected lift in the Ministry Archives.
There she goes.
Higgledy will help.
Stupefied. You're after her. We won't let you stop us this time. Rosie!
It's amazing.
Find Umbridge!
Unexpected lift in the Department of Magical Creatures.
Stop, Miss.
Incumbents! Now's the time Turner's vote. Finish! Get Turner!
Bloody hell! And a rumpet!
Don't upset her.
Too late for that! What?
Hurry! Get to the time room!
Let's get out of here before the lift explodes!
Now back to the time of Lord Voldemort. You're too late.
You can't use a broken time turner, Miss.
Nonsense.
Look what you've done.
This is your
Get out of here. We'll deal with them.
I will have order. How dare you try to stop me?
No. Now Higgledy has your what?
You must not tell lies, Professor!
Order! Order!
Unhand me.
We brought you a present, Minister.
Dolores Jane Umbridge, for your crimes you'll spend the rest of your days in Azkaban!
This is an outrage.
Take her away!
You've done well, Higgledy. Dolores and this lot will be off to Azkaban soon.
Where evil mistresses belong, Miss Grey.